I give advice that get our children married when they are young. No sooner you find out they're in contact with so and so, they are going out together, get them married. What's the difficult part about that? Rather than telling them to restrain and restrain and restrain, and they go on committing more sins than ever before. When a person commits zina, it comes in one narration that Iman leaves the heart of that person for that duration while he is committing zina. And today, unfortunately, it has become so rife and rampant. Back in the days, it was difficult to get onto this lane of zina. But today, it's everywhere. It's within our own mobile phones. It's within our rooms. In the dark nights, what adults and youngsters are up to, only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There was a person, he works in this network department of mobiles, and he says they can actually see how many websites have been visited. This is in a Muslim country. And he says, when you see at night time those websites of pornography, etc. are being visited, it is mind-boggling. It is shocking that where is the ummah going? Where is the ummah treading to? وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا إِنَّهُ كَانَ فَاحِشَةً وَسَاءَ سَبِيلًا. Allah Ta'ala says, don't commit zina. Allah Ta'ala says, don't even go close to zina. That zina starts with the eyes. It starts with the ears. It starts with the chats. And then it leads a person to such a dark place where he ends up committing suicide. Why do we get cases of suicide in Muslim children these days? Muslim youngsters. And there's fights and there's knife stabbing and all those are going on. It's all linked to zina. It's all linked to evil.